What's up, world? It's a fucking blizzard, winter wonder nightmare outside. But it is warm in here. My toes are like a little numb, but mostly that's just because I have like 2 pairs of socks in like these tight boat shoes. So we have heater number 1, and then we have heater number 2, because the homegirl's not fucking around. I'm in Maryland. It's January 3rd, 2022. Sorry, this cough. You know it's bong year. And I lost this like concept of time in Cape Cod, and that was months ago. And I was supposed to be in Virginia like on October 29th. It's January 3rd. I have 100 miles left to go. England, mates. Just kidding, it's Delaware, but it's like colonial as fuck. I was here waiting for the north winds today. Unbeknownst to me, it was bringing snow. I knew it was bringing a gale, but like to the lower bay, I'm literally in a canal and then a narrow river, and I was like, that's fucking perfect. Like, it's a gale down there. But here, I'll just be going downwind, reef down, no waves. Even on the weather report, it was like saying there'd be no waves by the river. And I was like, yeah! And then, I was like, let me do my final weather check before shoving off tomorrow. And I was like, wait, what? What's happening with my north winds? What's happening with my weather system? What's happening with my weather window that I stopped paying attention to for 2 days? And it was like half a foot of snow, which is like fine, whatever. It's like, I don't care. I don't care about no snow. But actually I would end up caring because the visibility was pretty bad. And like in the canal, you could hear the ship's foghorn. So I was like, okay, rational fear. That is a rational fear. And then I looked at the temperatures for tonight, and it was like 15 degrees, 17 degrees. And I was like, what the fuck? Like, do we live in the fucking Arctic? It's like, what? I'm a little unprepared. I'm underdressed to the party. Maybe I need to stay at the dock and plug in 2 heaters until it gets a little warmer. I'm not like Shackleton yet. You wait.